they see for he don't depressed element. Are we allowed why we don't let you then now she's a kitty kitty. Oh, Chester, my love, how are you? I beg go. She said she not going to ask. What did they follow under the corner? She said, no. Come on here. I God. Very hopeless. But I can say you. Naked one the one who la wa gwela. Come, don't give me naga hair wear. Come see what they share away for you. Don't give me naga hair wear. Come and hear it. We must get a you she must see waiting they happen.
Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
I'm going to be playing it. I'm still waiting. A cat lady no. She don't go. She did that. He pay na. All that is we beer. We move. Why you don't tell me her later? Where? As you say you not go enter us. As normal people they enter, they go they born. Now the beating when it you they collect now. Beer why you okay? You don't feel chest on. You can't chest it. If she go wash and later, they tell you she go wash and later. I think go love you now. Okay, later. Woo! Slave baby papa. All the law when she don't lie, what don't damn me home. The guy when he born for. When slave the Olosho free porn star. Woo! Oh, you can't listen and later. We had to damn you later. Okay, you think we are not going to play it? Even if na tape for the world, we go play how much more say people will come. A lot. Orishi. Sarah play music. Okay, more play music. More play music for sorrow. If you like, but you see, when person go deaf, you know they hear. Ugulawa. May you can't see what they see for. He don't depressed element. Are we allowed why we don't let you then now she's a kitty kitty. Oh, Chester, my love, how are you? I beg go. She said she not going to ask. What did they follow under the corner? She said, no. Come on here. I God. Very hopeless. But I can say you. Naked one the one who la wa gwela. Come, don't give me naga hair wear. Come see what they share away for you. Don't give me naga hair wear. Come and hear it. We must get a you she must see waiting they happen. I beg make una share and go wa attack get by. Almost so hon. You see all the lie whether idiot don't lie. Come and hear for the man when the fair born for. Not be this when they tell you say when they tell una say Ekia slave is very desperate. Come and hear it for the horse's mouth. When I go they talk, they will say sarahtboztvshow don't start. Who me? Me I be. They need to they pay me. I be your bro. This my breast. When this breast go they when the nipple they scratching me like this. When I tell you say that bitch is a desperado, you see that when they put for us. Come here for the horse's mouth. Woo! Eka slave. They pay you. Gaga. Again, another one who go wild gwella. Come outside though, come street. About we are like streets. Now you want to enter the street of so. Ah, queer, please now, chest her. Please. That idiot they shot up on top of her lungs yesterday night now. No, sweetie, just hold on. Okay, don't worry. Share the video, guys. No, my darling. No. Person will not pity for herself. No, not the pity for this industry. Okay, you boss say hi now win you home. What do you want? What did she want me to do? What did she want me to do? Ibele don't pass 9 months because of her useless dubious character. She no gree bon. Mama see on and I say me she no enter. Jennifer call this girl Belle when they really turn her call beer. She come and we could celebrate. She said no. Why she share the video. Forgiveness is a sin, and they tell you only the truth shall set you free. You can say that again, sweetie. Forgiveness na sin o. Kweke. If you like, you run enter. Why you do damn me home? And I know say because of your depression, you will need this audio. Sleep. You will need this audio to cure depression. Why you raise? So forget that. Oh my God. Oh my faith. Darling, how are you? Faith, oh dear. Zero, she is. Oh, she. No, your liver and your river, no be she did there. She did there since her wagging lesson. When I tell you say she not dey sleep, not say na lie. Every year, ask me who give and work. If you ask me now, say who give and work, who I go ask? Come and hear as Eka's papa tell useless. You see that papa when they talk say, my papa dey road, he papa nothing. He brother name una go hear and hear. He brother when papa when he be this, when he be that. Papa no fit build that. Now pikin when oh jeez. It's not like it's a bad thing when pikin will build that for papa. But the one when she tell they talk and you, I say he person to do something. Wait, if anybody say Miss Angel no play now, no, they go show the person you for toilet. You see, so now y'all say me they not play amu. Not say me they not play because they say snake go show some people nyash. Why when I some people say there was snake go show. So what from me? Una see what she they do kitty they do kata. Even me, I never hear the audio feature. I want to hear. Cause Erigi Tungwa, my lady. Wa shere. When person go keep quiet. When person go keep quiet. I'm going to say it because her voice dey inside, okay? Her voice dey inside, so it go always show. When person keep quiet, you know, see when she dey gallivant, they shut up about. We read and no answer. No answer. It dey pity, I no go pity, but they do address. No way. When everything dey table. I'm about to sweet oh, it is sweet you. It is sweet you. It is sweet you. It is sweet me or even me today. Oh, Jesus is Lord. Washere omo. Washere. Ewo. It not sweet you like you wanted to sweet me so. Wait to me and look how many shares they here. Oh, yeah, my swan, yeah, my dear maga. They not share. Yeah, my share. Like are you for real? 1K share will like me na batting. She the fool herself. Because she don't say the do is a bad. The guy picture, the guy picture. Maybe now that time go show. The guy, HR slave is so desperate. Desperado. Ah, it be like say I be magician. I say Kia slave is a desperado. Make I share Jarabesh, Kia slave is a desperado. Desperado know where Kia slave. Ero tag mona. With this or the one I will hear. In short, tomorrow we'll play. Anytime people will not hear that today, another day will see play. Sarah, don't come over here. Marvelous. I too go love you too. I forgot there here. I forgot because see me here here. I fair plan finish. Sarah, wait, make I share first. Okay, I dey wait. Ita was a panamana one idiot in who pregnant depressed element. Ita was a panamana one you who never one of be. For my new one, no one, no more conic be my ho de. Now that idiot now force here. And your pocket are that. When are we more calling la wa? When does that boy come and speak English for me? Come and spoke it. It shall not be speak. Come and spoke English. Slave, come and spoke it. Does come and spoke English for me? This one, what devil? Shame my disgrace. Shame my disgrace in all one can take ya. That is your tongue to be carrying it every now and then. Take it la. Take care sweep anywhere. We want to give you the shame and disgrace. Oh yeah. If you want, yeah. If you want here, share. They tell you a lot. Any tell them if they want hear me, they share. If they don't want you here, anyway I call la wa. If they don't want you, that means I got free tax. You should I don't do this tax. Meru one. If they don't want me, I just free enter. Me want la one, but I like to the enter. Later, you can slay don't collect. Yeah, we be in peace. You go born in pieces. Then you know wake bear of your honey, egg bear here. I wake bear of money. I just lay vow because when you near. You don't share? Hey, I'm not sure because I never see anybody when share here. I don't know. I don't know. Then you wake bear of money, egg bear here. And now we do we are making a bear now who were liar. Wafian who enters quiet. Oh well, liar. What there when yana la wa? Don't get me no lele here. I'm la wa. Come and take what is following it. If you get belly, you call the nyanya for Facebook. Come and take what is following it. Don't get loud, but you get crazy for that side. No, you will come back washing. Your baby father, the picture, he go show. You should take raw. Everything done. Everything does surplus. No share, no audio. Yes, you see some people were there. No, they can't like a show free. No share, no share, no audio. Oh my God. I don't, okay. He don't share. You see that idiot, that slave. She lied too much. Make una come here. She dey lie. I said the talk kana. He go here gbe ware na gbe ware ave no dey. If yan gbe say papa, oh una hear one audio when he talk can. I still get the audio here. He say papa oh no fele. Era fera mabowa. Papa when the fe o mameti bowa we that one no be juju. Na pikin can't go outside, come back, come put on for corner, not the yo. I stand with you, T-bro. The T-bros. I took a go give her college for my lady. It's too much. Any raw. See, Queen Rita things there. Oh. Ah, Queen Rita no. Queen Rita na woman she be. Na woman she be. Things there. Oh. Una see when this idiot they gallivant everywhere. Things there. Oh. When you go take beat hands like things. But Queen Rita get my shot. Maybe I blast a little shot. Yeah, no feel better like that. As it is what you put her for where she belong. I don't share for group. I hope this audio. I need this audio, I beg. Okay, you need them. Where worry. Where worry. Erigi too, no, I can't pay. If I even plan for a year, you not satisfied. Uma satisfied. The other rooms, come the other rooms. Come the, you see that idiot? Depressed, pregnant idiot. Oboga, that when you where you be your money in peace, you go burn in pieces. Rita, they wait, make she fair bone. I trust Rita. But she not pity herself. She even come out yesterday. Oh, Rita. Rita use the look like this. You be rat. Oh, fair way. You are a rat. You be rat. Oh, for him. You too small. Oh, fair. The otik word, no, reason. Oh, fair. See us. Body they sweet me. Body they sweet you. Body not sweet you reach me. For this one, go get one with this. So, me and look how many does share. I'm gonna see 100 share. I want no. Okay, 300 or something. I'm gonna see 100 share. This one. Like waiting on day for share. 300 or something. They watch 100 share every row. I'm gonna see 100 share. This one. Like you forget I have no audio. As my landlord, no audio, no share, no audio. I God, my head. As my landlord talk, no audio, no share, no audio. Because I know you should not pay show I supposed to. You know, say I don't monetize this page now. Pay show I can't email. But I'm not too greedy. Okay, now what you hell? No, there's still no one share. Now no share, no audio. No. If you not reach 100, I want no. I'm not saying 100 share. Now lie, they told you don't lie. No share, no audio. Wake your slave. Say I no make me best. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. He's a better than sweet me. Who baby not near the because when they want small picky so many haters. You get it when they want but she know the year. I say be oh no nana. This one go lad. This one go lad where. Me I say be on. My God will to bless you my queen. Me I say be woo! Oh, glow. Who they call? Hello.
We they share for WhatsApp, now everybody go share for group.
If you want share for group, move for move.
Nah, WhatsApp, no. We be personal person, what you know.
Okay.
Now we dey there. WhatsApp people don't join now.
Okay.
Check how many people where they like you, where they watch you now. Check how many people where they comment. You go know the people where they watch you now. Big part people where
they comment. Yes.
Now we dey there.
Yes, I see you now. Now, what they want?
If we comment now, we too big to use fake account. We don't share you if you never record it. Don't pass 100. We know they watch for
you don't pass 100 for the spirit realm.
What do they do now? I don't understand.
You don't pass 100 for the spirit realm.
Anytime I call you now, don't they put her for speaker?
Me I not put her.
No, anytime I call you, don't they put up on speaker, save this my number, now we the runner.
Abi, okay, no problem.
Will they share you for anywhere where we share you?
Okay, you are too much. God will bless me.
Okay. No, they forget. We don't share you.
Okay, thank you.
Now we share you.
Okay.
God. Listen to you be my baby girl because I senior you.
No problem. Thank you, ma.
Mo listen to
God bless you. Okay. Mo go. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's say for the other side, for the other rooms, see don't reach 100. Just that we not see here. For the other rooms, he don't reach 100. My God. It's just that we are not seeing it here. Okay, it was about to start now, right? Sharon. We're going to say see problem everywhere. See today when Frank come put the pay show. Hey, even the bomb where they won't throw for Russia and Ukraine. Oh my son, no, it not reach this one. If the bomb where they throw, that's it not reach this one. It not go reach it. It not go ever reach 2020 the year to remember. If we not remember this year 2020, which year you will remember again? If mama not remember a year, now the year already not remember. No fuck. Okay, let's go there. My God. What? Since I win a lagwa, Ari so boyo. Wait oh. Make I play the make I charge the phone so that not be so when they play the audio now, the phone will come off. No, because for your start, we your start.
Yeah. That's the way you should do that.
It's about to start now. Share the video. For people who use the clown, this is Ekia slave baby father when he felt born for. No, now. So that I want you talking before it starts now, so that I know they talk for inside. Buy your co-father. Buy your pure water. God, not too much. Today go too sweet. And later we they go from come maybe today. No sleep. She my disgrace on here. It's about to start now. Oh me. It go to go sweet me. Hey, slave. Cold beer here. Okay, you get cold beer. Wait oh. Sure, all of them they get cold beer. Me no go get cold beer. I pray oh. You may any king. I get that leak, yo. I get that leak, yo. It be like say this one too. It be like say I don't now make me buy leaking for. This one too. Woo! Where thing goes? No, tell me where thing go good for this one. If not be anything. Woo! No, don't pour. Tell me what thing go good for this audio. If not be anything, she one. Me. Oh yeah. Now my sugar that be anything. My sugar boy, the one when he drink remember. $1 on Sarah. So I know they drink anything normally, but based on the audio, I got anything as well. So so who there with you? Who there if now won't get anything make una we move.
I know. Anyway, I just joke. Yeah. That's the way you should do it. I know. Anyway.
Una dey here? Are you guys hearing? Buy your popcorn here. Una dey here? Like, is it loud enough? Una speaker dey use. Are you guys hearing well? Una dey here? Okay, they're not dey here. Sarah love Vanessa. Okay, may I find don't need to drink. You don't need to enjoy this Ogmun girl with us. Where you will come back. Okay, yes. Okay. I will see him again. No worry, you have the baby. Ogbeide. You don't need to enjoy this cold beer with us. Oh, me.
I just put everything on hold. So that when I come back, I'll come out with a big shot.
Now your daughter did with them.
Yeah, my daughter did with her. Now wait till she tell me, because first of all, if I
now what she tell you, you don't even know what time you're picking.
Yeah, because the way she dey carry her head for me is like a girl way she born her for.
Not be UK.
You know. Now UK first day, but I come out there for some time now. So once I go back, then because before I come out, let me see that begin. That my daughter for 5 years and I never see him. You understand?
5 good years, what's happening?
I say she dey hide out from me. She dey hide out.
Why you don't go through all this social and all those things to see her?
First of all, before you go through all those things, you have to be very careful. She took advantage of me, getting pregnant to push me away, so that they will give her house, so that they feed for her, me they forgive her paper. I don't get problem with all those things.
I know you say she really wanted the relationship.
Yeah, now what did she do? Now me move on from where she did from Italy.
Who they talk? That's where I say everybody should enter class. Ekia slave the baby father before knock up your monomuhiana. Ekia slave baby father share the video. I don't want to talk for inside. People they come make the enter class, they know they enter. Share the video, maybe not come inside. I will call the person. I don't want to pause it. Let's enjoy the cold beer. Izzy Ogbeide,
It's a long
baby
story,
father.
but the more I'm talking about it, if I have at least one pistol nearby and I'm seeing her, I might just end her life. You understand? Yeah, that's how deep it is. That's why I'm saying when the time comes,
you don't need to kill her, my brother. You don't need to kill her. Allow life to deal with her by herself, by itself.
And life we have to deal with. Life we just have to deal with her so that we'll be seeing it. So because when time comes, even father when she take the brag, if he stand though, when the time comes, because one thing for this life, no matter who you be, as far as say I not do you anything. Even if you fly from morning till in the evening, you are just wasting your time. This girl called police for me. She tear her shirt by herself with her 2 hands. Go open door for police. When they say I meet here and only that.
Una here. Madness run in the family. It's all what they do for live video. He make cat tie.
Only that picture alone, it come off my head for the past 4 years now.
I know you tear her shirt too.
Not be me. Oh God.
Wow.
In fact, I don't believe in no same package. I don't believe when time come. They will not say no be as they call papa, no be so they call papa. Church me I not here.
Una they live together as husband and wife for house.
We live for Bristol or London there. The rent, I mean they pay out.
Two of them they live together for that London before.
I'm telling you.
And I London she for call police for you, not be Italy.
Now London, but I never enter Italy before. Now Facebook she for comment on my picture, hey, handsome guy, now so we just say no.
In that Facebook, now she even look for you.
Now so we just say no. I don't know.
Desperado. You hear her? He say, I'm so guy. He don't tell when they cast they desperate. Listen. You hear her? Hear by yourself.
Before.
I'm from there.
Like, she don't talk to me, like, she dey tell me, I couldn't know, I couldn't get to know, say, me now, who say she be. Me, myself, my dad now, who say, before, he don't late anyway. But, I don't see the way she did it all. She said now she's a Christian, out of her family, now she believe in God, you know. She just dey pray, she dey pray for me each time she come here. I don't feel say,
She dey pray for you.
She dey tell me say what she dey do, she don't like her, she's fed up with life. Now say you don't feel they fed up. Me myself, I'm not
depression can't worry at that time, not depression.
So
It don't tell when some people be won't hang themselves. Oh, see, not everything you see on social media you believe. Or where they might see. He say it don't end up. People will end up in the back no boy. He give me. Wait, let's say now no. Me I say play and finish. Oh God. I never listened to this audio before. I've not listened to it before. You said the man who's what? Everything it is when a care slave. You don't hear what a care slave they talk about this man. Everything when a care slave don't talk about this man. Have you heard it? See, don't be judgmental. When the man never talk, you know when this man take course, so he never tell yet. But the care slave has been spoiling this man on this media. You say the facing a bad man. Even judge a make person there, he go make the two of you now talk. Okay, see, they talk about this man, they spoil now. You believe now. You don't want to listen to his part. Now, that's why will kill you. The grace, rubbish. Now, person na born man. Oh my boy. Okay, woman go you say now all women na they talk truth. Woman will come and lie. Then you go believe the woman. The man will talk now. Two people now they talk with it they happen. Or they talk they talk say the man not. When make your slave they talk the rubbish when they talk. She was responsible. I beg. Now my boy na person picking a man. Oh my boy, you can't lie on his head and make him not defend himself. A slave have lied on his head. To the extent he stop him for seeing his child. It's a slave talking about herself. Say the man not they see picking. He stop her all time. The audio I go play for now. When she talking, listen and stop all those you're using. When they say they talk, they condemn the man. You will the man bad. Listen to the man's side. Rubbish. That idiot when he talk that thing.
not working. So he comes to me and don't worry, I'll get something to do. Luckily, that period I can't get one car wash where my friend connect me to. I can't be the manager there. I did get money.
If this guy not talk now, many of us they think say the man was wicked. Oh, the man a bad man. The man a this. Many the depressed element when they lie no go. If you go close to a case, then you go know so lie for a mat. Okay, meanwhile they talk to I never hear from this guy before I know say case na so lie. Oh God, no, she not fit talk when say I believe. When they believe all the rubbish when they talk about the man. See, maybe we hear from these two sides, hear from the both sides. Okay?
I say you don't get a baby, me not get a baby. What will happen? Me you go camp for there. Go camp for Italy, I will send you money. Understand? So after she don't enter camp, I dey send her money at least every week. Every week. One he happy. She was able to talk to me on the phone. She tell me, say, brother, stop sending her money. At least they give us small thing for here. People they will visit me. If I know where they dey for Italy, I don't feel even read them for Facebook. Even her pastor don't ever receive money where I send for her. So a lot of proof they will visit me. You get one man they call Papa Divine for Italy. That man ever receive money most of the time.
A lot of proof there. A lot of proof there. And you know how many things where they follow this audio? I bet when I relax. Now to come the life full everywhere. Why relax? Now man they talk so. We not say no be all men good, but we can't judge all. But only don't call me now.
Go give her. When we go give her about 15,000 euro, she tell me say she gets some money which she won't pay for Italy there. So I tell her, say no problem. When she pay the money, she.
I'll be tell you when, huh? This boy, what is your boy? Abuna, they hear me. Go court for you don't know say person they busy. I will boyfriend on top. That's the one get boyfriend self now. I beg you, make una leave me. Una they hear. No, they call for inside, they disturb my video. Cut and once, you don't know, you don't go know say I dey busy. That's why I even get boyfriend say they tire me. Till you where. If I cut and know that I'm busy. This one they very important now. Mike, you know say banner.
She tell me say what she can do. She don't like her. She's fed up with life. Now say you don't feel they fed up. Me man.
You want use a proco. You want use the winner take a beg. May everything get it time. May you first say one corner first. On a tongue. You all not go up. Well, this one is very hot. When me I never hear this one. Thank God they are hearing. You call it the winner will how yeah.
Myself,
Depression come the worry at that time, and depression.
So I'm not working. So it comes to me, I don't worry, I'll get something to do. Luckily, that period I can't get one car wash with my friend connect me to. I can't be the manager there. I did get money. I say, you don't get a baby, me don't get a baby. But what thing will happen, may you go camp for there. Go camp for Italy, I'll send you money. Understand? So after she got that camp, I just send her money at least every week. Every week. 1 year happy. She was able to talk to me on the phone. She told me, say, brother, stop sending her money, at least they give us small thing for year. People dey wey be say me, if I know where they dey for Italy, I no fit even read them for Facebook. Even her pastor don't help her receive money where I send for her. So a lot of proof dey wey be say me, you get one way they call Papa Divine for Italy. That man help her receive money the most of the time. You understand? So all this money where I send give her, you not pay me. Money where you go give her. When we go give her about 15,000 euro, she tell me say she gets some money which she won't pay for Italy there. So I tell her, I say no problem. When she pay the money when she sent go UK, he put up my brother account was about £4,500. When she arrived UK, I tell her say that's the money my brother withdraw from me. I give her money, 1 penny. He marry so I don't get anything where the whole is in me. But when she for finish everything, for her to call police for me, tear her shirt with her 2 hands. me go sleep Bristol police station for 20 hours. Only a woman when I did Nigeria, I don't sleep police station one day. So you know if you call me for jail for nothing, they complete my hand like I be terrorist. So is it gonna go free for those things? I'm telling you, if I then withdraw, if I think of that picture, I feel like that woman. I'll feel her.
You don't say what she they call me for Facebook, my brother. We be like say I know. Now prayer warriors tell me say make I not talk to Rwanda, they make I leave and say me I not put my hand for fish. Where rat don't shop finish. And as why they talk for Facebook say I don't go like put my hand for fish where rats don't shop. Because she wants make me and she on the fight. But she not be my mate, I don't be her mate. I don't know what she even see for my body. She run follow me like fly away, you know, they fear death. Now so me they avoid that all my power. Until you can't call me that they be like say you even know say they don't follow me like fly. Now make you call.
Yeah, I see. I don't feel one in parents. I don't feel one in brother for Facebook. Me tell her father. Me come on my matter for her video. Any of her video where she did do her video, make she remove my matter. That's why she recently she did try come up and now. This same girl, if I tell you what thing this girl used my IC for Newcastle, where she get my first child, still birth, or I'm leave.
Still birth.
But I tell you what this same girl used my IC, but I bear her.
What do you use your IC? after London issue, because it's a long story, but as I talk, everything they call my head. After she arrived, I didn't stay where my brother did. I rent room for my brother flat, so we are living together. As normal, now my senior brother, all I need to tell her, you are not working, but if my brother need anything, try to help him out. Maybe if you want to eat, if you come from work, try. Now normal thing, because very normal.
now your senior and now my senior brother, but you know if you're going to disrespect him.
My beer don't finish. Igweriana we beer ya. I will need another one. Like we move. And this audio, mind you, have not listened to it. We are listening to it together. For those who just they come, na Ekia slave baby father. When she don't condemn, when she don't spoil, na they talk. So me, I go bring my beer. I will the plan continue. Me, maybe I will drink 3 beer. Crazy things are happening here. Me, I go bring another beer. We move. How many beer I will drink before this audio will finish? I don't know, but we move.
See, for some time she stop. She come and bring out some attitude, so I don't really mind, but I just need try to make sure that I don't come to treat her bad when she don't enter UK. Now my brother get now his passport, now get to enter UK.
Now your brother get.
I'm telling you.
Passport, now she can enter UK. She don't get her own passport.
Who give her? She don't get a day for Italy. Now me even push her go camp. But she don't feel wait. She say she won't come. You understand?
Now first you passport, she borrow to enter UK.
If you gbe ọ̀nà àpapọ̀ wa, àwọn èèyàn, Baba when they smile, go say àwọn èèyàn. LB, yeah, me you hear story. It happen for this side.
Yes, I know, boy. Now you see the reason why he never even push me one day say make I even talk to her. Yeah.
My own brother for Belgium, my own brother we London in the state, but a Belgian citizen. His wife na Belgian citizen as well. Now then I talk to. So when you come, now these people give you help. When you tell them where you did, come on. Try to do all these small things that they do for a person like me. I know they see him as everything. Because when I come abroad, my brother assists me when I take come abroad. So I was there with him. I stayed for more than like 7 years with my brother. Me and I don't get issue on it because I'm my senior brother. I have to give him his own maximum respect. Now when his English come, now we come to get issue up and down, you know. But waiting at the one try talk. Waiting I not do I get problem with her and she go pay photo. If she not go meet police, go tell them say so thing will happen 2016. Now let in life for this guy. Where if she go down, I don't go I will tell you clear and they go Ija clear. And if she not go talk, she's gonna be in danger. I will make him father know as well. I'll make his father know. It's gonna be very, very even if he can't finish him, you know, I don't want to fight her. I just all those videos we should be doing ever since. I want to come out for internet to do all the things.
It's a good video for you.
Yes, so.
If they do video for me, I send the brother a message for Facebook. Me tell the father talk to her.
My lady Quirita, yes, so. I watch how many videos this idiot do for this guy. Nah, he do how many videos for her. My lady, oh, you know watch. Oh, my lady, no watch on that time. See better audio for picture. Who that guy now? You know what they were for free. Audio na a picture. Even Frank not hot rich like this. I went Frank Martin Severia. Now you know when they were free. They said they not see the share. Anyway, we move.
Me stop my name. On BML, my BML is up to her because I did everything with my own power.
I think say she don't marry now. She is supposed to also face her family, but I'm saying that she's married. I don't know if she's happy over there because the way she said they continue to do the fight people. Person where they don't marry as newly married person for enter house.
In married, I'm very happy for her. But in case in Maria is going to be the normal this police station where this incident that happened in 2016, it wasn't true. I don't know. That place, the way we pay for my body, you never know when you see it. He just, if he knows that they call
Osage. In case for those when you open fake accounts. Izzy Ogbeide alias Mama Saga alias the Desperado alias the Mama Akolobenye. Now Osage be a baby father first, no Osage or any. So for fake accounts, wawa here no. Red Dead go kill them. He says one way they okay. Now here's the one. They won't come cry. Oh, on a vessel na vie bar. This one is so sick. You see how this bear cold. My hand cold for you. My hand they freeze. On a vessel, I vie ye cold beer me bar. Be na my cold beer na one day. E cold beer in me. I'm so very angry here. Not those red dead the boy. E cold beer in me woman na. I'm so see, cry me a river. Win audio now. Whether you angry or whether you not angry, my people must hear it. We mute.
I don't gather information where I'm gather. Once I can't message you. Maybe you're a woman because she was heavily pregnant.
Izzy will not call for inside. Oh. Hello. Hello. We never play and finish now.
Jesus.
We never play and finish. Emmanuel. Am I back? We never even waka.
I put that for speaker.
He dey speaker already. He dey speaker. Oh.
Is that speaker?
Yes.
Ah.
I don't mind cold beer.
Kebino, KJ. Wetin dey happen? Abemona Yusuf, you just get this kind. You know, don't see this kind man now. If this man just dey pursue all the old women now, they say men no good.
Yes.
No, don't can't spoil husband for people.
Thank you.
Ija, Ekia queen. If not this one, what is
na Ekia slave bia no, Ekia slave. Mama Saga, Mama Akolobenye.
No, the boy name now.
Osage. You say Osage na be name.
Osage Wagbon. Where you come from, Osage? I just say you know the Benin boy. This boy a Benin boy.
Yes, na. He say his father na from. No, he say his father na from na the same place in Ekia say father from Kona Usen. If in your father na Usen, meaning the boy na from Usen. Yes, the boy na from Usen. The father, if the father na from Usen, the boy na from
Ekia queen,
Ekia slave, no be who that na slave.
Ekia queen go the fuck, they go use gold and everything to be designing something. Don't be waiting on tell my bad queen. You go the fuck inside, they video you, they'll also say you see everything. That make it to be cool. You are Ekia slave. No, you are Ekia rubbish. So there your is Ekia rubbish.
Okay,
you want
that Ekia rubbish. Caller, see.
This man, I tell know you for Italy. I said where I don't see rich and I be this one, but they no raise me, but they don't they pepper me.
Okay.
I say carry money come.
Caller, they say later. Caller, they say later. Caller, they say later.
Come.
Caller, they say later.
Anybody that is in this platform now, but for now I'm seeing 670 something view. My dear.
How many views they see for them?
Don't go into a relationship for what you want to gain. God will punish you or that.
He don't punish a caller. They say later. Caller won't fair finish. He long go. They say later. He long. You never hear the ogun get me. You fair wait. I will play everything today.
If this one, if you see me, you know I be like you. But they just they pepper me now. It's like that Ekia disgrace them my face now. I go just talk around. What kind of nonsense is this? He say with the family never get problem. He say, hey, ja. Now you dey think, hello, I'm outside. My daughter. I say, okay, daughter, go when I take her for go. They know they tell me, you're second from there. You're even disgraced like this.
But they say you boy, they say you put bees for fire. They say you put bees for fire. Oh God.
My sister, what is that body they pepper me? May you let me come on my pepper body. We know men are not good. I believe on that. You know, maybe the man still get what he do. But this little one with this matter.
Because me too won't hear her. Me too, I never see. Makashuku, I never hear this audio. Me, I won't hear her too. My God, boy, peace.
I worry now. You see, now what you go marry, you go always marry.
Put peace on fire. But me too, never hear her. I never hear her.
For the first time. The rest people, now one shit.
My beer won't finish. My beer won't finish. A beer in my hand for you.
This kind of nice believe man, when you just get good heart, you tell and say, your people are an enemy, and it's he can't carry you say, okay, you want carry you come up for. You can't keep one like this. Last, you can't call that video. My papa Ogbeide na native daughter. My mom, they go punish you. If not true, what do you do?
Call her beg now. I never hear
Now what do your people believe? Now so you wrong. Now so you do. He can't help you. Out of
his may you put peace for fire. See, you know what will happen? May you come back.
You know the people.
You short me and go peace.
Do not value the first picking when you get for 1 month. You say value the second picking when you want get. Let me tell you, there's one parable when they come. They say that they born picking when they first born. They don't need the same name when they want name. When that picking die. Okay? What do you do for A? If you do it very well, when you are still desperate to do it for B, still go deal with you. Take it if you like, man, give you my name, give me my Facebook account. Come and carry my picture. Come me. We are used to it.
Okay, you know what?
Useless.
Who they call? Oh, another call don't enter. Hello. 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 My lady. Hello.
I been call that caller to wait.
Okay. I don't come. Let me go put peace for fire. There's a big peace I hear. Make up. Even my beer won't even finish. We never even hear the audio. Me, I never hear this audio. Me too, I won't hear. I beg put peace for fire. I beg. I may hear waffle. Before you know that, don't get complaints. I take another one. Okay, if I get your way, because this audio I must drink beer. I must drink cold beer. I want you. I go.
How can
With me.
the ex-girlfriend who played in Nigeria only the matter over clever because me a person here, I don't get issues with women. I prefer woman where I'm married today. That is a petrol katigusana, you know. Or me and we know the ever get issue. We won't be say we are not from here, not possible. Because I don't already know the kind of person where she be before I marry her. So I don't be person where they sit woman or you do a few with me. Again now, or you planning and or planning there. Either my baby or my mom will not call him every phone. If you don't leave my daughter alone in 3 months, what I mean, but I just tell her, I just tell her, say, even if you use your own house, still do voodoo. I know they owe your daughter money. And there you are, and you saw her love and you stop. So completely. I don't sleep with her daughter again. Because you know if you do me anything. You understand? So I think she was about 4 months pregnant. From 4 months pregnant to in the end, because I don't want any issue will disturb my own life.
Okay, I was very
careful.
When they are not searching the woman, I love you, okay?
In our stop, yes.
Yes.
In our stop. In our stop. In our way, because I was very okay then. Again, yeah, my God, I offend God. Also, on the Bible verse, you know, that Bible verse, you go on YouTube, let's look at Proverbs 35. If you read that Proverbs 35, my sister, you will come back to me and tell me what Solomon said immediately. Okay, second year, I was in dream. Also, Bible verse normally, I was supposed to stop her from coming. But Emmanuel, I was supposed to stop her from coming. Anybody need tell Bible verse in you understand? I was supposed to stop her from coming to me. Already under 3 months, I lose my car wash. Where for the sea money? I lose my car wash. Lose the car wash, man. Or when you do I do the right thing.
You see, when person know they lie. Oh, mama told you, taking no one going. You see, when the mama, you know, say because say the verse, make it all say where mama for taught truth, not your body here or no. You see, Ekia slave has been desperate. Desperate don't hear bear. When I tell you, I say, now you go marry that boy, those when they talk for life, you don't lie. Me? Oh, where? Who? Your lie. I go expose you. Queen Rita! I beg, I'll bring another beer. That one are for you. Cheers. We move.
I'm telling you, why you hearing marriage is disturbing. She do.
Person when they desperate for marriage. They use marriage just to come prove it don't pay. Not be today.
No, everything possible. I don't see the negative side of her. She ordered for ring from Nigeria. You know,
he ordered for ring for Nigeria. Una see the ring when the day cast slave and no one die. Nigeria have all die. Hey, what this all doing? I got see Egieke. He Jimmy. Oh no, that ring from Nigeria. See, don't be deceived on social media. social man when he buy ring for you, don't be hey ringy memo. Hey ringy memo. How? I never listen to in my home. I never hear this audio. Oh no, what the just slave? A desperate dog. I said it before. Where my ring? It's short. I know go be na based on if sugar daddy even dey here, so no need.
Hey, I'll die, Ringy.
She ordered for ring. You know for that and he hearing you go because already he very negative side of it, very bad.
I want to go here.
He had seen the ring you go.
I don't want to go here. I'll die, Ringy. Why are we married?
Yes, you know the he had seen the ring you go. Because at that point,
What? Honor the. Ita wena wenu la wa ugula. Don't no lele here. Come, Larema. Sarah, no, leave us. Sarah, no, I leave us. This audio not reach when they hide. See, only the truth shall set you free. Audio na mase na hide. If this one finish, I get another one. Iguero, ana we beer, yeah, a beer, yeah. This beer is so sweet in the middle. Or yeah, Iguero na warrior. You don't know how that ring give social media na not fuck. All that ring. Mo shift that place mo. Hey what? Hey today. All the way run away. We go play this thing finish today. Long go. Oh time. Hey wawa. Hey what? Who I never hear. You see, I never hear. We all the hear together. He's here, ring buyer. When are they town, I say not let people deceive now for this media. Say that relationship when she did say not lie. Not lie. One part now to tell this guy say she don't arrive. Another part now to put herself for depression. Now you can see, even with the way she behave, you will know that she's not happy. That's when they buy ring, when the other ring. Let the other play. Diamond, the diamond. I see you there. Mo, that place loud. I won't play them again. Wait, me and shift and go back some more. The beard is sweet. Oh, she is not happy married. Of course, she's not. You like if person they happy for marriage, you this na so she be. I beg. If you want go be like that, you go be like that. Oh, no, you come. Hey, Princess Serio, the beauty. No. Iraq, Russia and Ukraine. The bomb without the throne. Even Russia never even start. We don't start. Russia never start to release bomb. We don't start. Tonight, a Frank have a release of it. We move. We move.
Issues with women. I prefer woman we are married today. That is a petrol usana you know. But me and we know they ever get issue.
Who they call me? Don't call now. Hello?
Hello.
My lady.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
I have to follow you, but you have the truth for your last video.
I never true. We there here, we there listening to the Ogmo girl.
I watch you now.
No, I did the other page. We there for the barring. With the barring they give people. We there listen to the audio. Where you there? Where you go the other page? Come on, they barring. Come. Add the ring now.
Where come be say we are not from here? How possible? Because I don't already know the kind of person where she be before I marry her. So I don't be person with this woman or it will feel woman. Again, or you planning here or planning there. He I'm not calling him before. If you don't leave my daughter alone in 3 months, I just tell her, Pa, I just tell her, say, even if you use your own house, still do voodoo. I know they owe your daughter money.
Nobody should call Abi. More they listen to where they for the buy ring. I drew and go back because that ring buyer very important. Don't be deceived on social media. What?
And there you are. Stop. So completely. I not sleep with her daughter again. Because you know if you do me anything. You understand? So I think she was about 4 months pregnant. From 4 months pregnant to in the end, because I don't want any issue will disturb my own life.
Okay,
I was very careful.
When they are not touching the woman, I know you care.
In our stop, yes.
Yes.
In our stop. In our stop. In our man because I was very okay then. Again, yeah, my God, I offend God. On the Bible verse, you know, that Bible verse, you go on YouTube, let's look at Proverbs 35. If you read that Proverbs 35, my sister, you will come back to me and tell me what Solomon said immediately. Okay, second year, I was in dream. Normally, I was supposed to stop her from coming. But Emmanuel, I was supposed to stop her from coming. Anybody need tell me Bible verse in you understand? I was supposed to stop her from coming to me. Already under 3 months, I lose my car wash. Where for the sea money? I lose my car wash. Do the right thing. I'm telling you,
Bad luck.
why you yelling marriage is disturbing?
I'm not losing win. I'm not hey, am I so desperate? Hey, desperado with her.
Do everything possible. I don't see the negative side of her. She ordered for ring from Nigeria. You know
what to boy out there, Ringy.
She ordered for ring. You know because already a very negative side of it, very bad.
I want to boy out there.
Yes, it's ring you, boy.
I don't want to boy out there, Ringy. Why are we married?
Yes, you know see the ring you, boy. Because at that point, my situation.
Yeah, when they are coming here with the Bamari, it will be when I out there, you get to for me. Now, wow.
This matter, my friend, a lot of my friends know. My friends, even Elonari Newcastle, in a movie, you cannot see me.
Oh, yeah, you're calling in here, Barrow one in here. It's desperate.
Exactly. Only with marriage. Even with marriage, or yeah, rule with marriage.
Yeah, this guy don't marry. I said it that we're something fishing in that erigi no kwogi den that boy we do shababa ma. Ona ye na eshipazi. Ana ya mweke street rana mulawa. Something was fishing. Where? Yeah, I will beat you. You see, as you take dead desperate. And with my drink, I want you anything. My hand she. The guy don't marry. Or marry ne. How now roulette kitty they don't kata. Go carry for streets. I today desperate. We move.
What kind of marriage? A marriage on the 15th of May, you were.
Can you
show us? sure what's your marriage. All I let down means to make sure where we marriage
Sorrow.
She do everything possible to make sure where we marriage. You know in London. She wants to make sure where I was seeing here we married, but I was see when they are not me. I'm quite different from your friends. Yes,
is this not what I said yesterday? Say your friend they do marriage, not me. Say I said my friend don't do marriage. How long ago? I do ship bridesmaid follow them, but don't know me say me I go buy ring for Nigeria give ma. Sorrow. You don't not see the court in here the webo. The court when the boy wear they said that court for Europe, not Nigeria. Hey Nigeria, my young boy. Hey Nigeria, I got to ya oh my God. Ah, Jesus. No wonder the court was. I was like, oh, wait, where they for bring this court? Sorrow. Ew.
Or see when we married, let me go your one because the picture she was showing me, if I should go in, I'm not going to end well. Yes, also even when she was pregnant, I was already avoiding her. But yeah, I was not in the hospital. Or you to boy decide where he can. I said it's up to you because at that point, Mama, my own situation was too critical.
The boy said he was not in the hospital. And the video when this porn star do say the boy abandoned the hospital. What? Ah, no, we're not going to finish out today. Porn star! Larry. We went past. But they go tell you something. I said, darling, mommy, I too go love you, mommy. Egbe atamu with me. With my Kobe, something body will tell you something. Wait for me. Ah, Queen Rita, yes. Now woman you be. Any boon Roveria. Sorrow. Am I swan release? Ah! I beg who did ye wear Queen Rita? They were going to shield on a man call say no. We're gonna give moet. Yes, sir. I will pay. Sorrow. Ologbo Joshua. Ologbo. Hey Frankie, maybe wedding. Ologbo Joshua. Oh God. Hi, Jesus. Ebi na for your movie.
Was jobless. Again, I swear to God, a baba of the already 20 pounds near the mortuary hospital because I was jobless. Yes.
She was not right. She said the boy come hospital abandon. The boy saying no day. You marry. Sorrow. I must marry by fire by force association. If you're real, mommy is good. We need this one. You need some. Who needs some? Because it's so we are loud. See, me you fair go born that one. I call Benny no we call you so that I walk where they brush you, they will not say okay now you. Make you fair born now, wake up your cause food there for you. If I run where? If I run sorrow.
See me, you don't see me down video. So if tomorrow or I make a video, we'll take the part in not happy where
and it's true when you have your document in order like UK.
It's or telling a bedroom. My brother, or telling a bedroom is sweet. Or telling no, the one is senior me like 2 times. A parlor I million Igbe, your Mario is Igbe,
Okay, Mary, I rename me.
Is it go I rename Mario or English name yet? So,
Mary, oh, yeah, you can share with Swiss. So, note, Mary plus Izzy Ogbeide plus Ekiasle plus Mary, oh, yeah, you can. Izzy Ogbeide wine here, Izzy Ogbeide, but Izzy Ogbeide, you de ron kiti de kata kata. You waron kiti, waron kata kata. I don't my drink.
on my there were a pally or tene or a palo or tene, on my time, if you know that. On my time where already 3 days you feel like UK 950 pounds, he said the after they go the good name. On my time 950 pounds, he said the I took it, that was my own personal money. Okay, you send you account to but I don't how much where you withdraw you I took my own personal money 950 pounds. He not send the again. On my time. Anything new, your magic time, and we not put you get Italy, your magic time, the video there were a pastor have we receive you. Or magic time where you go need your
Oh, my house don't arise. Oh, waiting the play, sweetheart. Oh, my darling. A lot there here, pepper soup water. hot one. Sweetie, muyi. You are welcome. All time. I expect of it, but we move.
So there are things near you. Even my own cousin, Momo, where again after everything you know, all that your parents, the man you go or we going here, hospital. The police they knew where she was lying because I was thinking baby you are here and where a baby or honey, that we know. He had 20 hours in it. I was in Bristol police station for 20 hours. He go free. I went to go free. So or he knows where she's going to pay for it, or she will just speak out the truth. You know how to speak out the truth, she's going to pay for it. I swear to God, she's going to pay for it.
When you're more there, you know what they paint this guy. That porn star life for his head. As a man, you dey here, man or woman. Just as Mugu goat, a Mugu goat, you know your mother for a year and so a slave they put this guy for 20 hours behind bars. He lied for the guy head. A slave. If you not say you not lie for this guy head, can't use that your akonobehinoreko and even wajena do that go to vent board, don't swear, come and swear. Many women they drunk. See, not be all women when they report to police, not be many of them they lie. Many of them they take advantage of the Europe system. We know. Even police can't they understand. Say African women they take advantage of the system. If it really happen, that's a different case. But you see, when it not happen, you lie because you're pregnant. Because you pregnant, you can lie. Just as she they do like mad goats. You see when she they do, who see that one don't know say na useless human being. Say na condemn elements. Our no ni ma okay no you not supposed to say. Say na wait so. You not supposed to know say that girl a very useless human being. Share the video. When I share this video now, what did they play? We move. May I plan more continue.
Anyway, my brother, I have to me already in way.
Yeah.
We working on it. Oh, why I'm moving on it. I have the room that way. Obi way. It's like the way. Oh, way. That may have that in the arena now. A laughing now. Yes. If I'm going back there, I was on my back. Here, one woman in town. Just to push you to the level you are not supposed to go. But Uka my way, cool wacky, no wrong get be Agmoya. Agmoya,
of course, Osamuyi, of course, I know. Many women they take advantage of the system, of course, they do. A lot of them. In short, 60% of them take advantage of it. What the man don't do, they'll put on for here, say it do. This one, Narita, they talk now. Queen Rita, they talk now. When she they feel say, now you're listening, more go. I've never listened to this audio. Let's move.
When you have a unless this is the wrong way. When I never only or says a boss, says or sushi, no we have then we have sound or says anything, no way, or no or segway. It's just that, or take a time, you know, not going to believe you, when that will take it that, then you boy behave, or make sure what be loving you, no day you dare, or see no not take time over where you bomb out of way. I didn't you weather, Usalupo away. I knew Bowevo in any way. All what direction be. It is a look by young winner. On your seal, not a king man is in be. Even at Moyarama, or no yard do way. Everywhere I are reasa for you, Salupua. Where you got there when you can when with your little near me. Egg it that way. As you 20 we are in any on that video. Kimudoa. No, no, when you come up with Kunde. You a hat. You say, Yoiba. No, gay. Oh boy, na gile ama na me we nu ne emi dano e for no na man then na e dan e marriage no be la na no who the first one na tie mo hu obi who e jo na be mo hu e ga ni o mo na so the very patient e gbe ni gbe ya follow e run dai ari bo na e go ma na get bo family wa hin because Ariana no wa ye boy arwo na be ni yana dina I me nerisa I future when you have I would die when you have no tea, bad boy, or some of what I did on my way, or what Fuano or Fuano. And when I get bought, new way you down it, don't you then I want to back the air of you, a lie new bow, I will value the African or their household become desolate, completely desolate. If you salute by your flourishing like a flower, be patient, it can go away.
Baby, wait. I need to open another beer for Queen Rita. You get why? I need to open and share. Another beer for him. Another beer. It's too much. These are mothers. Okay, we move. Oh, Kulubeke. My sugar boy, if you come again, see your beard, a beer phone, so I wrote of it. Now beer in the light. I need to see this beer in particular now for Queen Rita. Cause that was a good one. You get why. Now woman you be. She not even think and say. On my way, what she that idiot they insult her. Make no. Shares. That's the Queen Rita. Ugbagbe.
When you report a man and you report a man, say, well, I'm from my brother, you may only report a man is over.
Even from about your or the Facebook, or the can't if you know about the matching you for me. Facebook or so.
No, I can see a book.
Sarah, okay, now they can't. You know they fear. I then my ass so now my studio. This one is your studio normally. If I can't go the other side on two lights, two big light na dey here. My room dey here. Now my ass are there normally. Wait till be time now. Umenwantv show never starts. Studio maybe now my ass are there. Now 4, darling. Now 4, yes. So maybe I'll say 5 you born. Cause this audio. I need if not be say I wish I know I for do popcorn normally. You know when they use popcorn, they download this beer, they download this popcorn for this kind of audio. When even on your loud here, it enter. All I'll say, that's it, man. Hit me out with popcorn. Iwa sale de beer, I say salo, I want you know what that friend will say, I want you, because we are not very young. Where you know ya for time? Where you know ya for?
Papa no mai tinu hiame. O tiene o hirame no tinu kijeme no tiene yame. Me ma even the only thing wow, iri so na egi e we de gbe. Ugbe December na ho ya wo je de utop boy. Papa ya no tie me no tie no hirame bo kijeme ije de ra return na egi me ye ugbe December ya wo je de utop na we very good. Iri no wo ya me. Oga ye continue ati eri aye de ya we no call nu la jani no wa kunu ye la jani ya re me nu no enyo ni meni.
Sarah go hide today. If I know her waiting again. Later. Frank on still day. Me I hear na. Today na audio day. Na to enter bottle. If you don't want enter, that one I me. If you don't enter bottle for this one where they ground, so for this old guy, waiting like okay, which one will enter bottle for this one? I no enter bottle. Today na today. Another audio still there. Yeah, wala go.
Maybe do you mean that? Yeah, why you not call you give me away? Oh, me the boy, me the view, why me the better for me the good year, me the good marriage. All the way to me, I don't see your mom by ye. I want no back here in me, I will hear me. Or for me, Lune, a Lune that time. So, okay. Oh,
you might be UK. Or not even many young winner. Or we remember, or where a woman, a war, you need no winner, so that all days in the month. I want you to pay £100 every month, but £100 every month is may pay. May I pay and may to pay you what do you right? Or it's going to be hard for us. Again, now, or we anything with a way, a iron or real, but winner.
Who they call for inside though? What you way? Who be this? I want to go and ease myself. You know when they drink beer, you would ease yourself. Why? Who they call? Who they play audio now? Hello?
Hello, my queen.
Yes, my handsome.
My queen.
Hi, handsome.
How you doing now?
I'm fine.
Happy New Year.
Same to you.
Long time.
Are you watching me?
I already follow you.
You don't watch me now?
I was surprised. I just see you online just now. You don't come for work.
Okay, we never true. I dey busy now.
You don't true now. Don't true for.
No. We never plan finish. Oh.
You still there?
Oh yeah, boo.
I don't hear you.
Is it plenty? Never finish.
I know now.
Call later.
I know.
Later.
Okay,
He must have done wife. I must listen and finish. I work for that. I pray may finish. I there is. No. See, if you want us to come later. On my swing, I put a mail they play give by people. When I go ease myself, come back. I work for that. I pray.
I don't understand how wicked people could be. When we done here, but at the things was really hard. The only thing we are where to pay £100 every month. I understand. Before we by UK,
we have to pay £100 every month. No, I don't pay.
Oh, yeah, to pay. But £100, me pay and me pay more right? But we won't let you pay £100 so that we now because she doesn't want to work.
Yeah. Facebook with Tally.
And no winner.
What do you run your Facebook? Tally Facebook.
Because I saw something.
I have the journey and I feel for you now. Okay,
because of our swings here, because even the second one, because you not see, I will not say it's a mistake, but I don't know, over 9 months, unfortunately, he had someone was stuck with Wigbe. I never see that kind of thing before. So he had someone was stuck. So because of where more money for 9 months, and she.
Hey, what? He never, oh, Jesus. All of a sudden, the picking heart stop. Hey, what? How many hours the video? Because the thing long go. It's so long go.
Share the video.
Oh, thank be, oh, thank be. Oh, thank be, oh. I must buy ring, I must marry. By fire, by force, I must marry. Show the people that I'm married. Even seeing the ring, you will know that. Oh, but you know when there is a cat they had for somewhere. There's cat hiding somewhere. Cat, there's something under the carpet. Oh, my clear. Even with the coat, you will not say the thing, okay. From Victor Pesha will soon start. And I be say we'll pause this one. Oh, now pause it because I think you play for where now. Waiting be time. What's the time? The thing long. Una don't hear the Ogboge. This to it. Ije mo the rest one. Ije e bombi be ko dot there and I finish on. Me wa we for anything. For anything for you know me here won wa Frank. Frank Victor. You know me here he won. Say that when. What did that does? What did that does? You continue with the audio. Say, what did that does? We might have away from Victor ask. From Victor won't start. We continue tomorrow. Today on Sunday. Out of this one. We not quit start today. We not quit start today. I'm out of this one. They say they go show cake for some people today. You know. Here we are a cake, no get face. So what to go? More go finish that. You know, yes, they say they will blast some people with cake. Here go a boss event. We not we start today. I'm at a rest. We not we start. Every Victor try the moment one show. Try, so that we'll come. See, when I see the picture, when I made the picture, so today, even today, sir, we not feature everything. Because the guy picture there. Haba! You never share there, and you never finish 1K, you never share the video. The guy picture there, outside the picture. Any here raw, any here bad. Even today, I had to show a year. A ring, I don't die ring from Nigeria. I get the ring. Even that ring, when you don't see that ring, a ring in here na debe webu. When me a ring in any shop, desperate do a mawagun. They say he can't come out. They say he won't do video. We be a gule la one with deva one. Easy the ring buyer. That's a good one. Me when I use them, I open fake account. Izzy Ogbeide the ring buyer. Okay, they bunker the ring. Bunker the I said it. I said the woman they desperate. Be a man wanyo. All this audio, I might put you now for a phobia me wakalo. Iwakale any king for. I can work there for maybe 10. He sure the next one will do popcorn. Now here be last. The other one are popcorn and beer. Cause okay, Frank, go and get your ticket now. Heroic care. Now small remain for Frank. Go get your ticket. Go get your ticket for Frank show. Now small remain. A puff here popcorn by beer or my phone. Now that call I call the call say you don't finish. I pray may finish. I pray may finish. You see carry the for the belly. Yeah, so make it big. What get the bound here problem? Awanyo. Ribaya. Awa de ring this. The marriage when she do so, was it not suspicious for you? Was it not suspicious? The guy married May last year. He said May. He cares for those of now we no hear. Ni married. He called the wrong kitty kitty, the wrong kata kata, the wrong kitty kitty. He go carry boy for streets. Izzy Ogbeide, me I dey come for you. Me I don't blast you. When I can listen to the audio from beginning to the end. Where we were be in peace, you were born in pieces. I call it for Queen Rita. I call it. That's a mama right there. Woman with wisdom. Woman with wisdom, get why. Get why. Yes. That's a woman with wisdom right there. You get why. Best audio of the century, Queen Ritoto, you are the best. You can say that again. And I hear anybody I can take care. Oh, see, no fuck. Oh. You see that mala. In short, I would do popcorn for Grammy. I will popcorn every day in case so that on your was now why they popcorn lele. Not be only this beer when I can't they drink. So I need to do popcorn. Be this one. Make you rest. No, they call me for this video. I feel leave relationship because of saga. Yet it's a relationship here with the saga. See, because of hot audio, I feel leave you. Rude hot audio, yet it's a way I see, not fuck with me. I said I will call you later. If you don't quit rest, I better go. Also, on a waton. I feel leave relationship because of saga. This one, I can live in. Frog, I very useless human being. Sarah, add me to the pay show now. No, when I first do video before, I said make una come pay for me for what do pay me the pay show is frank. Okay, me gonna not pay any me we me do pay no way. Like are you for real? Now you go born for pieces. The idiot not say she won't born for pieces. She was born in pieces. I was playing the audio when this. I was playing the video before when this video was when she was nyanyaring in the other rooms. I played the audio before, right? I played the video. Now she was born in pieces. I thought we in lagwa. We not going to be naga koi. All those one that day or on when they look. The queen herself, when they look, I was like, hey, see. See, from today, I not get boyfriend. Even sugar boy. Because when you come, they play with my saga, with this kind of thing, with my video, all they like, you like, hey? I can divorce, so, you what? God forbid that. I will divorce you. Me, I will leave you. You don't know. This is my audio. If you play with my audio, I will divorce you. He divorce you. Wait, me I block. Okay, she don't come. Akia's left there here with fake account. They cry. Oh, T-Boss, where have you been, my darling? Check your message for WhatsApp, darling. queen, my darling T-bros. How you doing? Oh, you send that? Okay. Now when the pikin, when they show the pikin, she's not a good mother. I've seen it, sweetie. I've seen it. We are going to show this in the next video. When they do anyhow for where the pikin, she's not a mother. She's not a good mother. She's a useless, even with her present condition self. You will not say she be very useless mother. When she not even fit keep. See, we never through with the audio still long. Audio why you can. A picture my lads, yeah. Save the audio. Ah, he's there with me. Don't worry. I want you. Sarah, they block your sugar. That's the way they come online and unblock him when you are done. That's God. That's what I will be. To even that's the two they get problem. I tell you, can't they disturb my video? That's one thing I can't take. Say you won't marry me. Say we won't date. I don't joke with my video. I know they joke with her. I know they joke with my audio. Especially hot one like this. You joke with her. I know they joke with her. Not gonna fuck with me with all this kind of thing, no. How I mean, I feel divorce you. I think I feel all leave you for Junction, for Logbo Junction. I go leave you for Logbo Junction because not fuck. I'm in a cool. Thank you, darling. I've seen it. We are going to play more. Oh, Logbo Junction. Ring buyer, Ekia slave, desperado. Ekia slave, when I've been telling you guys that get the lie. Because the few times when I take come close to her, not be the one when she said they don't be sure she be bloody liar. Sarah, when you and Osamuyi marry, you can stop live screaming. Oh, Logbo Junction. Muyi know say that my food be this. Muyi, when we want do no, you know, Muyi, I know the buy ring go. I know the buy ring. If you know say na me won't buy the ring, na moku yora. Muyi, me the ring. I know the buy ring. Where my ring, the ring when I get for yourself, I say motoy. They know the buy ring for Nigeria. Oh, Logbo Junction. Muyi, I not see. Chester, tell your friend now, he dey ring. You are Tamana now. I know the buy ring go for Logbo Junction, he dey. See, no fuck. Chester, tell your friend, I no go buy. We go send the ring. We go send ring from Nigeria. No, man, no Logbo Junction. Oh, Logbo Junction, he low. That one we went from, don't go patch puts. Ne frank ya peshi yi ne low. Because all the Logbo Junction na frank get away frank you move. He make me the first. We go talk on Logbo Junction. Na Kure Junction we already pay ho. You go give me to press the neck. You go. No, I either see Chester, tell your friend. Tell your friend, if you know say now Logbo Junction, you won't bring my ring, I know they do. I know they do. You. I know they do it. Oh God. Alright, again, Nigeria, see, I know, say, tell us, say, na diamond, me con dey collect. A diamond, the Megiri. So, make you come prepare. Make the ring go. I know they buy ring and buy coat. A coat na yawe bury at the mede. I know bia. See, I know they buy oh. He there. Moku y'all know now so that na Akure Joshua. Akure anologbo. Oh God. Wait, Frank. Oh, no, not the hate person. I dislike that boy. We good, now the good one I take dislike now. Because you know when you dislike person for the good one, he good. It'll be like, now the good one, not be the bad one, no. It was very funny human being. Sometimes they make you the vex, they make you they laugh sometimes. Ah, Jesus. 8 o'clock you too, I Logbo Junction. 8 o'clock don't knock. When we go Logbo Junction. Frank, no allow me enter your show free. Riri, he no allow you. Frank Victor like you. Nah, so me too like her. He just like make me the verse. I said make it reduce this impatience so that man reduce. I know if you enter now, they don't buy ticket for me and the show does start is 8 o'clock. It is just 8 noon. Always Sawodo. It good that we even reserve this one and reach the next junction so that I might pay for more enter the next one. Ologbo Junction, we move. Ekia slave. Ready for the part 2 for your baby father audio and the picture. Both of you fit each other. No, me and Fran never. Awa. O tap your peri ne. Awa. Me and Fran no fit. Never. Sarah, read my comments. Oh, shit. Sarah, if you want play this audio again, I no go gree make you drink anything. Why now? If I don't plan finish. Okay, you know, give me a drink. I want you. Now, Frank, bring them away. Frank, why they tell you so now make me dislike Frank in a good way. Now, see, you go say that one. Why now, sweetie? Why? What did that does? You know, give me a drink anything again. Ah, this audio, if you don't drink anything, download down. Now, Ella Waverio. If you not drink anything, take the download down. Ella wa. It's too expensive. I tell Frank, say reduce this pay show. Or what? Hey Frank, make sure say that pay show. We are all rolling to Frank pay show. Last minute we fit enter. We move. If I not come fit enter, anything you see, they bring a come for me. Those when he enter, bring the with any key too long. Ah. No, not the audio long, not be my Nikki. Only the truth. Now the audio long, not be my Nikki long. You don't see I don't drop to reply. This one 4. My Nikki no long. Now the audio long. I don't drop 4. Because of the audio long, that make me drop 4 bottles. Oh my God. Because the thing as it is sweet. When they thought that I say beer they bitter. Now because say money not there, now the other one they say bitter. With the sweet. And with this kind of audio, it go to go sweet. Oh yeah. Don't let this. Oh my God. Not too much. Oh, go Logbo Junction first. We'll come back and finish on. Now carry Logbo Junction. It just left the ring buyer. We are coming back. We won't go Logbo Junction. Something happened there. I quite release because Russia, Ukraine and Russia, their bomb not go reach this one. If I lie, a bomb be Ukraine, be Russia, I have so no. Never. Logbo Junction. No fuck. Now so Benin talk. Na money no dey. Night they say beer the bitter. Thank you, darling. The beer the sweet. A beer the rien. Now when money not the night they say it bitter, you are a darling. Ego agaro, beer the sweet. And as the audio they play, the thing they sweet before I even draw for, I don't know. Before I draw 4 bottle, I don't even know Ologbo Akure Junction. I don't know. So only the truth not blame you. Now the way the thing they sweet oh. The way no ya ari no. The way they sweet na cause Hello.
Hello, Sarah, where you pay so am pa.
Where here now? Ologbo Junction. Ologbo Junction. Where's Ologbo Junction now? Where's Ologbo Junction now? Okay, naka soma abi naka Ologbo Junction.
And Ologbo Junction kakona
Okay, I dey gberi ona abi. Okay.
I want you for that
Abi. Hey, you are very kind person. Wow, now move Ologbo Junction. We move. Abi, I don't not top eh. You are doing well. You are doing well right there. Yeah, here Ologbo Junction we move. Okay, my here Ologbo Junction. Oh my God, this one will kill me. Oh yeah, let's move to Ologbo. Sarahtboztvshow boss, what are you waiting for? We are moving to Ologbo Junction. I love you, Ologbo Junction. Oh what? Don't forget, oh, we move. Izzy, this one was too sweet. A Facebook or the love you all so much. Thank you. Share the video. Bye.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully